A fun day at the beach can turn into an emergency in seconds. Do you know what to do if someone gets injured at the Seacoast? Here are some simple first aid steps that could make a real difference.
If someone is drowning, never jump into the water unless you're trained. Call for help immediately and use a life buoy, rope, or any floating object to reach the person. Once they're out of the water, check if they're breathing. If they're not breathing, begin CPR if you're trained, and call emergency medical services without delay.
If someone is stung by a jellyfish, rinse the area with seawater, not fresh water, as fresh water may trigger more venom release. Carefully remove any visible tentacles using tweezers or the edge of a card. If available, immerse the affected area in hot water, about 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 45 minutes to help reduce pain. Seek medical attention if there is severe pain, difficulty breathing, or swelling.
For cuts from rocks or shells, wash the wound thoroughly with clean water. Apply gentle pressure to stop bleeding. Cover it with a clean dressing and watch for signs of infection.
If someone develops heat exhaustion, move them to a cool, shaded place, loosen tight clothing, give cool water if they are fully awake, and cool their body with wet cloths. If they become confused, stop sweating, or lose consciousness, it may be heat stroke, which is a medical emergency. Call for emergency help immediately.
The best first aid is prevention. Swim only where lifeguards are present. Follow warning flags, stay hydrated, wear sunscreen, and keep children under constant supervision near the water. A few calm actions can save a life. Stay safe, stay prepared, and enjoy the beach responsibly. Greetings.